All of you, let us continue our today's class, whatever we left in our previous class. In our previous class, I explained what is ARM registration organization. What is register? What is ARM? All of these things we have discussed in our earlier class. What is ARM? First we have to discuss. That is your advanced risk machine. That is your advanced risk machine, and register is your used to store information. And yesterday class we also discussed what are the registers present or having the microprocessor or ARM microcontroller or ARM microcontroller. So let us discuss first what are the registers are there in ARM microcontroller. First is your general purpose register. Yesterday I explained what is general purpose register and what is the uses of general purpose register. And the general purpose register is ranged from R0 to R12. And this one is your special purpose register. And the special purpose registers are R13, R14, R15. All these three registers are special purpose register, and R0 to R12 are general purpose register. General purpose register is used by the programmers. For why? By the programmers to write the programs by using this general purpose register. By using this general purpose register, programmers can write the program by using general purpose register. Special purpose register काम कौन? It is used to perform specific task. It is used to perform specific task. Now we discuss the register structure of ARM controller. Register structure of ARM controller. Okay, so let us take a diagram. This is your R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8, R9, R10, R11, R12. All these are general purpose register. All these registers are called general purpose register from R0 to R12. Okay, and other three registers are R13, R14 and R15. These are called what? Special purpose register. Okay, 13 general purpose registers are there and 3 special purpose registers are also there. Okay, and in yesterday class I also explained you R13 having stack pointer and R14 having link register and R15 having program counter. Okay, now in today's class we discuss what is stack pointer, what is link register, what is program counter. Okay, first we have to discuss stack pointer. Stack pointer. Okay, stack pointer काम कौन? It holds the address of the top of the stack. Address of the top of the stack. Suppose let us take a diagram. Suppose this is a stack diagram. Suppose in first index the address is 1001. In second index the address is 1002. In third index the address is 1003. In fourth index the address is 1004. In fifth index here address is 1005. Okay. So what is stack pointer? Stack pointer holds the address of the top of the stack. In ARM controller, the stack pointer holds the address of the top of the stack. What is the address of the top of the stack? That is 1001. Okay. So this is the stack pointer diagram and this is the overview of stack pointer. So next we discuss link register. What is link register? Link register or LR. Link register will hold the address. Link register will hold the address, hold the written address of the subroutine. Link register will hold the written address of the subroutine. First we have to know what is subroutine. Subroutine कौन? Subroutine will use to perform. Subroutine will use to perform some specific task. Subroutine is used to perform some specific task. Let us take an example how subroutine will perform the specific task. Let us take an example. Suppose there is a program always started from your main function. This is your subroutine. Subroutine is your call R1. Okay. These are the logic. Okay. Before we call a subroutine, suppose we place the subroutine here. Okay. Before we call the subroutine, link register will hold the address. Before we call the subroutine, link register will hold the written address of the subroutine. Suppose this is address 2000 and this is the address is 2001. When we call a subroutine, before that link register will hold the address of 2001. After that it will call the subroutine